7:41 this Sunday morning. Taking a live look right now over Kennebunk Beach. What is going on there? Is that a cloud?
Oh, I
Some
was sorry.
fog?
I was like not paying. I was looking at the waves and I was like, well, it's water.
Well, I
It's
see the
beach.
water, but above that.
It's the sun rising with some clouds out there.
Okay,
You're seeing.
okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, it's just like the problem with a lot of stuff I've noticed is like depending on the camera angle, it's
Right,
so
I know
hard
it
to
can be
see.
deceiving and kind of hard to understand what's going on sometimes.
Yeah, I think the one time I tried to take a picture of the moon, it looked like a street lamp.
Yeah, the sunset, taking a picture of the sunset, sunrise, the moon, the stars, always disappointing. It's just
Anything
better to
with
see it in
lighting.
person. Yeah, exactly, which is most things.
It becomes problematic, but I mean overall, it's pretty outside so far this morning.
It is.
So it's not too bad, but it is going to be cold, and we have some snow that's coming to some people right now, but not quite here yet. We're seeing that off in the mid-Atlantic at this point in time. That's going to be around New York State, Pennsylvania, but there's a bit of warm air mixing in to give them some rain at the same time as well right now. So we're not all seeing that same general story. Now, there is this, because of a low pressure system, that's sitting right over top of Michigan. That cold front's bringing some precipitation. Like I said, a lot of snow, not a lot, but they're getting a decent bit right now in some of those places. Now, as this low pressure system with that snow moves closer to us, a lot of New England is going to get snow, but we have this high pressure that's over us right now that's going to kind of keep that at bay and keep most of the snow out of Maine. Now, as we go through your day, we'll instead just kind of see some clouds starting to build into your forecast as we progress through your Sunday. But you'll see that snow trying to creep in out here from the west, and some of it probably will get just southwestern Maine. So most of us not looking at anything in the way of snow today. You could see some down there, though. Now with this, little to no accumulation is expected, and even if you do, we shouldn't really have any problems for the most part. I'd still just take your time because everything has been getting cooler and it's helping the ground freeze, but just make sure when you wake up tomorrow morning, if you have anywhere to rush off to, maybe you don't rush, but overall we're expecting most of this while you're sleeping tonight, so you probably will miss the majority of it. Now, starting tomorrow morning, we will see clouds starting to push down off the coast slowly but surely, so by the time most of us get out the door, it'll be sunshiny. You might have a little bit of clouds to start off your morning, but from there, those clouds will continue to push off the coast and give us more sunshine back in the forecast. So a nice sunny day is expected for your day tomorrow. Now, wind chill temperatures right now might not be the most pleasant for everybody, so you gotta bundle up properly before you head out. Wind chill temperatures are sitting right around 0 for some of us, or in the single digits for the majority of us across the area. Winds are a little bit calmer in some places, which is helping your feels like temperatures stay a little bit warmer. But overall, it's definitely not going to be the warmest start to your day here. This is below average for your temperatures. Those wind speeds are slowly calming down, which is going to help those wind chill temperatures warm up a little bit more. But it is going to stay a light breeze right now, and we'll see this continuing to calm down. But those wind speeds won't really stay calm for the entire week ahead. They're actually going to pick back up here as we go through the rest of your week. They're not going to stay in the single digits. We'll actually have a lot of days where it gets quite breezy again. A lot of that's going to be on Tuesday and Wednesday. Even on Friday, we'll see it getting windy once again in your forecast. But we're going to also see some chances for some snow here and there. For a lot of us, there's not going to be really a chance until we get to your day on Wednesday. You could see a few flurries and sprinkles if you're living inland up towards Bangor at that time. If you're down in southwestern Maine, like I was saying, or some people along the coast, you might get a snowflake or two tonight into tomorrow, so just be aware of that. But luckily after that, lots of sunshine is going to go back into your forecast, so we will see it staying a little bit sunnier out as we start off the work week, but we are sticking with those cold temperatures as well, so we're not going to get sunshine and 70, but you don't live in Maine if you want sunshine and 70 in December.
That would be weird, so it's probably good we're not getting that.
No, something would be very wrong
Right.
if we had sunshine and 70s.
Thank you,
So.
Aaron.